Maths Cbse Part 1 Syllabus. There are 6 chapters, important things we should study. 1. Relations and functions. 1.1 Introduction. 1.2 Types of relations. 1.3 Types of functions. 1.4 Composition of functions and invertible function. 1.5 Binary operations. Second chapter Inverse trigonometric functions. 2.1 Introduction. 2.2 Basic concepts. 2.3 Properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Third, matrices. In matrices introduction, matrices, matrices, types of matrices, operation on matrices, transpose of matrices, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, elementary operation, transformation of a matrices, invertible matrices. These are the three chapters of part 1 Maths Cbse. We should remember these things. There are 6 chapters in mathematics Cbse 12th standard part 1. Third chapter matrices introduction, matrices, types of matrices, operations on matrices, transpose of matrices, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, elementary operation, transformation of a matrices, invertible matrices. Fourth chapter, determinants. In determinants, 4.1 introduction, determinant 4.2, determinants 4.3 properties of determinants. In determinants 4.4 area of triangle. In determinants 4.5 minus and perfects. In determinants 4.6 adjoint and inverse of matrix. In determinants 4.7 applications of determinants and matrices. These are the different chapters in 12th standard Cbse Maths Part 1. Fifth chapter, Continuity and Differentiability. In Continuity and Differentiability 5.1 Introduction, Continuity and Differentiability 5.2 Continuity and Differentiability 5.3 Differentiability, Continuity and Differentiability 5.4 Exponential and Logarithmic Functions, Continuity and Differentiability 5.5 Logarithmic Differentiation, Continuity and Differentiability 5.6 Derivatives of functions in parametric forms, Continuity and Differentiability 5.7 Second order derivative, Continuity and Differentiability 5.8 Mean value theorem. And in sixth chapter, Application of derivatives. In application of derivatives 6.1 Introduction, applications of derivative 6.2 Rate of change of quantities, application of derivatives 6.3 Increasing and decreasing functions, application of derivatives 6.4 Tangents and normals, application of derivatives 6.5 Approximations, application of derivatives 6.6 Maxima and minima. These are the main 6 chapters in part 1 Cbse Mathematics 12th standard. This is the syllabus for Cbse 12th standard Maths Part 2 7th chapter Maths CBSE 12th. 7th chapter Integrals. 7.1 Introduction. 7.2 Integration as an inverse process of differentiation. 7.3 Methods of integration. 7.4 Integrals of some particular functions. 7.5 Integration by partial fractions. 7.6 Integration by parts. 7.7 Definite integral. 7.8 Fundamental theorem of calculus. 7.9 Evaluation of definite integrals by substitution. 7.10 Some properties of definite integrals. 8th chapter Application of integrals. 8.1 Introduction. 8.2 Area under simple curves. 8.3 Area between two curves. ఎప్పుడు మనం these are the chapters CBSE 12th standards part 2. 9th chapter Differential equations. 9.1 Introduction. 9.2 Basic concepts. 9.3 General and particular solution of differential equation. 9.4 Formation of differential equation whose general solution is given. 9.5 Methods of solving first order first degree differential equations. 10th Vector algebra. 10.1 Introduction. 10.2 Some basic concepts. 10.3 Types of vectors. 10.4 Addition of vectors. These are the different chapters in part 2 Maths CBSE 12th standard. In 10th chapter Vector algebra. 10.5 Multiplication of vector by scalar. 10.6 Product of two vectors. 11th chapter Three-dimensional geometry. 11.1 Introduction. 11.2 Direction, cosines and direction ratios of a line. 11.3 Equation of a line in space. 11.4 Angle between two lines. 11.5 Shortest distance between two lines. 11.6 Plane. 11.7 Coplanarity of two lines. 11.8 Angle between two planes. 11.9 Distance of a point from a plane. 11.10 Angle between a line and a plane. 12th chapter Linear programming. 12.1 Introduction. 12.2 Linear programming problem and its mathematical formulation. 12.3 Different types of linear programming problems. These are the different chapters in CBSE Maths Part 2. 13th chapter Probability. 13.1 Introduction. 13.2 Conditional probability. 13.3 Multiplication theorem on probability. 13.4 Independent events. 13.5 Bayes theorem. 13.6 Random variables and its probability distributions. 13.7 Bernoulli trials and binomial distribution.